السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. مرحبا بكم في هذا اللقاء الجديد الذي سأخصصه لتصحيح الامتحان الوطني الموحد للبكالوريا الدورة العادية في اللغة الإنجليزية كل مسالك الشعب العلمية والتقنية. إذا ما تنسوش تشتركوا في القناة تفعلوا الجرس باش يوصلكم الجديد. إذا غادي نقرا التكست من بعد je vais corriger les questions de compréhension. Alors, the company ABM Japan and four other partners are developing a smart suitcase that uses artificial intelligence AI to help people with visual disabilities to travel alone with greater freedom and security. Visually impaired people usually face problems using public transport and accessing other services. Luckily, there are cans and guide dogs to lead them around obstacles. These aids will soon be complemented with smart suitcases which would help them to travel independently. Chiku Asakawa, an ABM Japan fellow who has vision problems, works with the assistance of the first prototype of a robotic suitcase equipped with AI. The smart suitcase, which has been inspired by a proposal from Chiku, is equipped with a sensor, camera, and a battery to detect obstacles and alert its users through tactile sensation. According to its designers, it will also notify users if friends approach or if there are cafes and other facilities nearby through an audio system. In an interview with a Japanese newspaper, Chiku said that she got the idea when she was pushing a suitcase in front of her during a business trip. She thought that visually impaired people could walk safely if a suitcase would scan the surroundings for danger. Different companies are contributing to the development of the suitcase. ABM Japan will be responsible for artificial intelligence integrated into the suitcase. For its part, Alps Alpine will be responsible for tactile technology, Omron for image recognition and detection techniques, Shimizu for the navigation system, and Mitsubishi Motors for automotive technology. The smart suitcase will be used at airports, shopping centers, and in other indoor areas. It will later be improved so that users can use it in outdoor areas. The device is expected to be on the market in 2022. Et donc, maintenant, je vais faire la correction. Question de comprehension. Alors, premièrement, choose the best answer. The text is, alors c'est la première réponse, an invention for the visually impaired. B, answer these questions. When did Chiku first have the idea of the smart suitcase? She got the idea when she was pushing a suitcase in front of her during a business trip. What will be Alpine's contribution to the design of the smart suitcase? Alors, for its part, Alps Alpine will be responsible for tactile technology. When will people be able to buy the smart suitcase? People will be able to buy the smart suitcase on the market the market in 2022. Alors, fill the chart with the right information from the text. Alors, name of company, IBM Japan, artificial intelligence. That's its contribution to design the smart suitcase. Shimizu, navigation system. Amron, image recognition and detection techniques. Alors, D, are these statements true or false? Justify. Get ducks help visually impaired people to move easily. Alors, that is true. Luckily, there are canes and guide ducks to help to lead them around obstacles. The smart suitcase will be able to recognize people coming towards its users. True. The smart suitcase is equipped with a sensor camera to detect obstacles and alert its users through tactile sensation. It will be also notify users, etc. Alors, Mitsubishi Motors technology will allow the smart suitcase to recognize images. That is false. Mitsubishi Motors for automotive technology. Alors, question E. Complete the following sentences with information from the text. Having access to public services is difficult for visually impaired people. The tactile sensation or sensor and camera will allow the smart suitcase to notify its users. Question F. Find the text words that mean almost the same as. Without any help, in paragraph 2, independently, model, mean, prototype, risk, that's mean, danger. Alors, question G. What do the underlined words in the text refer to? Alors, this it's refer to canes, guide ducks. The device refer to smart suitcase. Alors, language. Fill in the gaps with the correct words from the list. Brenda missed her class because she was taking part in a sports competition. The vaccine which our laboratory has developed is effective. Give the correct form of the words in brackets. Their business failed because of poor management. You see, we put management and financial problems. Lord of the Rings is one of the most successful movies I have ever seen. Question C. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the list. All the guests appreciated Tom's sense of humor, except for Karen. Scientists will keep on conducting research till they find a cure for cancer. Rewrite the sentences as indicated. The jury has interviewed all the candidates online. All the candidates have been interviewed. If I were you, I would buy laptop instead of a tablet, Danny said. Alors, Danny advised his friend to buy a laptop. Although Saida is from a poor background, she managed to pursue her higher education. Alors, ici, on peut mettre in spite of being From a poor background, she managed to pursue her higher education. Alors, ensuite, la question suivante. Put the verbs in brackets and the correct tense. By the end of this year, Mr. Simpson served, ici nous avons le future, will have served in the local council for 20 years. While Anna ici on peut mettre, was working on her language project, her brother was playing games. Alors, ici, vous avez deux actions qui se passent en même temps, in the same time. Was working and was playing games. La question F, match each expression to its appropriate function. Expressions. Why don't you try another job? Alors here, making a suggestion. I don't share the same view with you. Ici, disagreeing. Can you give me more details about the topic? Here, vous avez asking for opinion. Ici, making a request. What do you think of online learning? Alors ici, vous avez asking for opinion. Ici, la question G, complete the following exchanges. Manager, I'm afraid the report you send me is full of mistakes. Pat, il peut dire, sorry, I'm going to correct it immediately. Sandy, my computer can't read PDF documents. What should I do? Alors, Kazé peut dire, you should repair your computer. Voilà. Si vous avez la réponse à des questions de compréhension, merci de votre attention. ما تنسوش اشتراك في القناة وتفعلوا الجرس وشكرا.